Alright, pull those together. I'm using these bolts here. Pull them together. These are what I use to pull it together up and into there. So right now I need 3. 1, no, I need 6. Because I'm doing it every other one. So I'm able to get all 3 of them done today. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All right. Care of that. I need the bolt. See, make sure I get the right socket for that. Let's see. I gotta get. Not using that drill. Jesus. Man. There it is. Okay. There we go. There's the drill. Let me find, I gotta go get my gun. Go get the drill and the gun. Alright, we'll get our first drill. Yep, still flush. Now, why am I doing that? Because a couple of these break off. I can't believe how hard this stuff is. The bolts actually break off inside here if I don't do a pre-hole. Not hurting anything, so just an extra step. But then again, if it breaks off, then I'm not in good shape there. All right, and we are flush. Sweet. Okay. I'll be crawling all over this thing now, unfortunately. Eventually I'll get this thing out. Eventually I get it running again and get it, either use it for myself or go ahead and sell it. Watch that hood. Ah, man. At least I don't weigh that much, which is a good thing. Scoop that hood. Need to be replacing the hood. Okay, get that one there. It's gonna go here. Okay. Ay. Any problem with that? That bit gets hot. All right, I'm on a seam when it comes to the hood here. Yeah, somebody looked like they were taking frickin' BB practice on it. Ouch. Here we go. And the weather we go. Very nice. Alright. Okay, and I gotta go further here. Yep, it's about now under the roof. No, hitting the hood. Much body use as possible. Okay, and we are the final one for this pallet. And of course I've done that to all the other ones. I'm a washer. The washer. There we go. Alright, change out my bits. Did I tell you? Broke. Yep. Feel it snap. So there you go, as an example. Shoot. And do another one. Yeah, I could have used carriage bolts on these, but I figured it would be easier. I didn't realize I was going to have break. These suckers actually breaking. You know, they're not. Of course, they're not an 8 grade, but still, I think it'd be stronger than the frickin' wood. This little. I've actually got this in 2. I don't even have it in 3. This little Kobalt will go 150 foot-pounds. Okay, one time. Okay, that's enough to hold it together. Next is probably, the other one's probably halfway through when it broke. So, I'm gonna go with that. Okay, I'm moving down the roof here. This one's gotta come up a little bit because it's not sitting on a piece here. Well, I didn't dent that roof. Okay, so this one's got to come up. Just sit on this. They both do, actually. Because that actually made it level for some reason. I can see that right here. Okay. Get it level. All right. This will be good. Pull it down a little bit. Maybe a quarter off on there. You're way off here. All right. Yeah, it's because the other one isn't up on it right now. So that's leveling that out. That's the thing. I don't have it over there. I need a piece over. I even need a piece over there, don't I? Gotta lift that up, bring this down before I bolt it. Alright, so that's a whole another game there. Butt down ladder. I'm gonna need that piece right there as a level. Let me see what I got. Okay, so we have that one piece bolted. I gotta bring this one over here. And another piece under this one to lift it up to make it level with the back one. Okay, so I need to get a piece for that. Alright, I'll save some video. Okay, I've got my that last long piece bolted together, so that completes that. Now what I gotta do is I gotta cut this down. Gonna want to be in 21 inches wide. Gonna hang over a little bit because that's 18 inches there, but that's actually gonna be perfect for a little overhang. So let's go ahead and get this sawed. A nice wood cutting blade on my Sawzall. I could use the electric chainsaw on it, but that's all right. Little nail, of course. Now what I wanted to do. Okay. Get it somewhat square. There's one behind it. I gotta get that one right there. At least cut it off level. Square. Jesus. Come on. Alright. There you go. Means I got a rough. I got one piece of. This isn't actually. I ran out of 10-footers. This is actually a. I think it's actually a. I think this is actually a 9-footer. I ran out. I got 2 of these, but that's all right. I'm not really worried about a gap. You know, it's not gonna hurt anything. A nice thing. It's not as heavy. Getting it up there as the other one are. But, okay. Let's saw this last end off here. There we go. Alright, I got a nice 21-footer. If anything, I got some nice hardwood to burn in the stove. I know, it's too bad you only get one side or the other out.